Pakistani and was Mr. Pakistan at the refugee, I will teach you how you can make a motion sensor. For example, if you made a safety system in your home, someone come in your home, alarms will turn on. So in the project, which are connected to the aluminum, it's connected to the ground of the ground, aluminum ground to buzzer positive to digital pin number 12. Digital pin number 2 is the sensor output is a PIR sensor. Sensor 5 volt to 5 volt continue and ground to ground. Sensor there are two knobs. One knob is adjustment, time adjustment. This one is sensitivity adjustment and delay time adjustment. Right now it's eye trigger mode. It will continuously trigger only with trigger when someone comes near. For example, if someone comes and sits, it will silent. And someone move, it will detect. And always it is contained a bioelectric cell inside. Just I open see the lens within inside of contained bioelectric cell which sense the infrared light. It's a passive infrared sensor, so it will send infrared light which human or any living person will be producing its body. Right now my hand in my let me put it here. No motion will stop. I move the hand back and forth, it will react. If I will stay in the one position, for example, it will use a cell phone. But if I put my hand, it only will detect my body. You will connect output instead of bulb, you connect relay and connect bulb, and this will connect your door. When any person come in your home, if you don't go in your room light automatically turn on, and when you leave the room, light will automatically turn off. By this this sensor is a PIR passive infrared sensor. This is a jumper. Now it sets a low triggering mode and high triggering mode. For low triggering mode, it will give a single pulse with a half negative cycle and single pulse, and the other terminal, if the jumper is full upside, it will be a full pulse, meaning continuous beep and pulse beeping. So right now it's the low, meaning pulse beeping mode. hc-501 sensor, hc-501 PIR sensor. Now this is a tour of, let me explain, do you know with PIR motion sensor toad. So this is a motion sensor toad. So first, int 13, LED pin is 13, int sensor pin 2, int state low, int val equals 0, val mean value, white setup, pin mode LED output, pin mode sensor input, serial baud within rate is 9066, and wide loop there are digital read is in sensor. If val equals I, digital LED is I 500 milliseconds, 500 milliseconds, and if state is low, serial printed motion detected, state I, else digital wide LED low, delay 500 milliseconds. If state is I, serial print motion stopped, state low, and there's the input, the pin that the LED is attached to, the pin that the sensor is attached to, defined by no motion detected, variable store status valve. short form of a variable, initialization of LED as output, digitalization of sensor as input, initialize in serial, read serial sensor value, check if sensor if I turn LED I delay 100 milliseconds, and update version, update status to I turn off LED 200 milliseconds, and update variable state to low. And there are, I do not, instead I little bit change it. I change the pin number 13 instead number 12 and replacing with 13. So my digital Arduino, these are digital pin 13, but my Arduino digital pin 13 is not working well, so that's why I use digital pin 12. I change this pin number, and the mean code is same code, and I Ethernet output instead of LED, I Ethernet output a buzzer. You can Ethernet LED and buzzer both are both. And this video can be the next video very soon, and you can get over in my video description. Towards link video will be providing the video description.